Hey, Tico Steve here. Today I'm going to show you how to use Section 179 to get some huge savings on your investment for your tent washing machine. Let's say the cost of your tent washing machine is $49,900. What that means, Uncle Sam's going to give you a discount on your tax of $10,479. So in essence, you're lowering the cost of your equipment down to $39,421. That's a great savings. But some people say, well, I can't afford the $49,900. I don't have enough cash right now to write a check for it. Well, this is where companies like Ascension Capital come in. They're finance companies that are going to help you with your first 3 to 6 months of payments, $29. Then after that, you're going to be able to spread the rest of the payments out over 60 months so that you can get this machine up and running for those first 3 to 6 months, get it saving you money, and then apply that savings towards purchasing this machine over the next 60 months. Tico Steve here, a great way to have savings.